Hi, my little library friends. Welcome to our Jungle Animals story time. This time we will be using the Hoopla app instead of Tumble books to read the story. So the adult who is with you will have to read the story out loud to you. But before you go and read the story, let's do a little jungle rhyme. Okay. So, I've got my jungle animals all ready. 5 little jungle animals, and not one more. This is a boa. The boa slithered away, and then there were 4. 4 little jungle animals. Playing in the trees. The baboon swings away, and then whoosh, there were 3. 3 little jungle animals. What will they do? The leopard stalks away, and then there were 2. 2 little jungle animals playing in the sun. The elephant stomped away, and then there was 1. 1 little flamingo. Hello. Left all alone, she called for her friends, and they all came back home. Yay! That was fun. Okay, now you can go read the story called The Animal Boogie, which was written by Debbie Harder. And when you're done reading, I'll be waiting for you here, and we'll make a craft together. So enjoy the story. Welcome back. Did you enjoy The Animal Boogie? Good, I'm glad. Before we start the craft though, how about if we try a couple of jungle songs? Okay? How about this one? If you're an elephant and you know it. All right, it goes like this. Excuse me. If you're an elephant and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're an elephant and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're an elephant and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're an elephant and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're a monkey and you know it, jump up and down. If you're a monkey and you know it, jump up and down. If you're a monkey and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a monkey and you know it, jump up and down. If you're a crocodile and you know it, snap your jaws. If you're a crocodile and you know it, snap your jaws. If you're a crocodile and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a crocodile and you know it, snap your jaws. And you can do that with lots of different animals. How about this one here? Do you know the wheels on the bus? I bet you do. Well, that's the tune we're going to use. So, the parrots in the jungle say squawk, 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 squawk. The parrots in the jungle say squawk, 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 all day long. The tigers in the jungle say grr, 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 grr. The tigers in the jungle say grr, 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 all day long. Wasn't a very good roar, was it? How about this? The hippos in the jungle go splash, 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 splash. The hippos in the jungle go splash, splash, splash all day long. And again, you can do as many animals as you want. All right, let's get ready for the craft. All right, are you ready for the craft? We're going to make a jungle snake. He's not finished yet, so I'll show you what you have to do. And I will have these kits ready for you. You just come down and get one and you can make it at home. So we're going to use a pipe cleaner and we're going to use beads. The first thing you're going to do is put 5 beads on, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And then you might need an adult to help you. You're going to twist it around like that and twist it like so. So then see, you have his head. All right. Then you're going to put all the beads that I give you on the pipe cleaner like so. There's going to be some left over on the end, so the adult who's helping you can help you just twist that around so that your beads don't fall off. This is a great fine motor skill for little hands, so make sure you do it and not your mom or dad. All right. See, there's my head right there. And I'm going to glue some eyes on my snake so you know that's his head. I'm going to put one there, one there. Let's see. All right. So now my snake has eyes. What else does a snake have? The snake has a long tongue that sticks out, doesn't it? So I found some paper to make my snake a tongue. And snakes stick their tongues out so they can find their food. They use their tongues to feel and hear, okay, and see, because they don't see very well. So you don't have to add a tongue, but there's my snake's tongue. And because it's a pipe cleaner, you can bend your snake around like so. You can do whatever you want because it's a pipe cleaner. Something else that I'm going to give you if you come and get this is a feed the monkey game. All right, and you roll a dice and you feed the monkey bananas because that's their favorite food. So if you come and pick up the snake kit, you'll also get a feed the monkey game. All right. Okay, we'll see you soon. And don't forget to send pictures of the craft that you made. I love to see your crafts that you make. All right. Bye now. See you again soon.